Logic picture puzzles for systems of equations. This is the Easter version. So there's 7 different puzzles. So in place of the variables x and y, students are going to have a picture here. So the first set of equations, they're going to solve by elimination. And they should be able to see that these two will cancel out if they add the two equations together. And so that will give them 2 rabbits, or 2x equals 20. X equals 10. So that means the rabbit is going to equal 10. If they place 10 back in the original equation, they'll get 10 plus 5 equals 15. So the purple egg will equal 5. And they get the point, 10, 5 as their solution. Next one is also solved by elimination, so they can eliminate the two daisies, which would be their y term. Now this one they would have to change their coefficients. So they would have to multiply times 3. This whole equation, if they multiply by 3, would be 3x plus 3y equals negative 3. And then they add the two equations together. So they have to find a way of changing the coefficients so that they will eliminate. Same thing on the next one. And then they go on to substitution. So they've got to solve for one of the variables. Looks like they could easily solve for x on the first equation. That means they're going to be subtracting the 4y, or the 4 Easter bonnets. So if they subtract that 4y, they're going to get x equals 12, negative 4y. And they've got to use their own scratch paper, and they've got to solve this. They have to substitute what x equals into one of the equations. And then they can solve for y. They've got another one with substitution. Again, they can solve for x on this one. And then the last one, they can solve by any method. So it should be kind of a fun way for the students to practice systems of equations with the Easter theme.